Welcome to the best picks. The best coyote trapping supplies is probably one of the most effective ways to manage coyote populations. Whether you're a seasoned trapper or just starting out, selecting the right equipment is key to success. From durable traps and effective lures to essential tools and safety gear, we'll explore the must-have supplies that will help you get started and improve your trapping results. Number 5. Redneck Convent 9x7 Metal Dirt Sifter. This metal sifter helps you create natural-looking trap sets. It allows you to cover traps with an even layer of dirt, camouflaging them from animals. Made from galvanized steel, this sifter is built to last. The mesh screen effectively separates soil from unwanted debris. The sifter's size and design make it easy to use. Its lightweight design and slanted walls allow you to sift through dirt quickly and efficiently. While designed for trapping, this sifter has other uses. You can use it in your garden or even at the beach to find treasures. Bed your traps with ease using this sifter. It removes debris that could interfere with your trap's function. Use it with other trapping tools for best results. What we like. This sifter helps you create a natural look for your trap sets. It's made of durable galvanized steel, ensuring it lasts through tough conditions. If you're looking for a way to camouflage your traps effectively and efficiently, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. It works very well. It's durable, lightweight, the holes are a good size for sifting rocks and twigs and roots out of your soil or dirt. No issues in 2 trapping seasons. We sift our dirt for the sets. This has been a perfect tool for what I needed. The holes are big enough to allow dirt and small debris to pass, but catch everything that I'm trying to remove. Number 4. Minnesota Trapline Sod Buster Hammer. This hammer is a sporting goods product. It is made in the United States. This tool is designed for various outdoor activities. The package dimensions are 5.2 centimeters in length, 20.1 centimeters in width, and 39.7 centimeters in height. It is a compact package for easy handling. This product is proudly made in the United States. The origin ensures quality and craftsmanship. The package weighs 1.784 kilograms. It is a sturdy and reliable tool. This is a great tool for outdoor activities. It is perfect for any sporting goods enthusiast. What we like. This hammer is built to last, with its robust construction. Made in the USA, it speaks to quality and reliability. If you need a dependable tool for your trapping needs, this hammer is a solid choice. What people say. I love the weight and durability of this. Great for helping set those traps. Worked good setting anchors and trap sets. Easy to carry and stout built. Works great for canine trapping. Number 3. Yodel Dog Coyote Gland Lure 1 ounce. This lure is designed to attract coyotes and foxes. It comes in a 1-ounce bottle, making it easy to carry and use. This product is perfect for trapping or hunting. The small size makes it convenient for various applications. It's a potent lure, so a little goes a long way. You can easily apply it to your traps or hunting areas. This lure is specifically formulated to attract both foxes and coyotes. Its scent is highly effective in drawing these animals in. It will increase your chances of success. Its powerful scent is irresistible to coyotes and foxes. It is a great choice for hunters and trappers. This lure will help you get the results you want. This product is a valuable tool for any hunter or trapper. Its concentrated formula ensures long-lasting effectiveness. It is a must-have for your hunting supplies. What we like. This lure is specifically designed for attracting coyotes and foxes. It comes in a convenient 1-ounce bottle, making it easy to carry and use. If you're looking to increase your trapping success, you should consider this lure. What people say. The first night of having the new scent out reactivated all of my traps. The scent draws the coyotes into my traps. It is working. We caught a coyote but it got away. Accidentally caught a possum, so it does bring in the critters. Number 2. Lenon Lures 3-pack Predator Trapping Bait. This is a 3-pack of Lenon lures, designed to attract a variety of predators. It includes 3 8-ounce jars of bait, each formulated for maximum effectiveness. This bait has been trusted by trappers since 1924. The first jar contains bobcat meat bait, perfect for attracting coyotes, foxes, bobcats, and raccoons. It's made with perfectly tainted bobcat meat, enhanced with essential oils and special musk. This will be irresistible to predators. Next, we have beaver meat bait, also effective for a wide range of predators. This bait is designed to lure in coyotes, foxes, bobcats, and raccoons. The blend of ingredients makes it highly effective. Finally, there's the raccoon sweet and sticky fish paste bait. Use a tablespoon in dirt hole or pocket sets. It's perfect for live cage traps or dog-proof raccoon traps. This bait is very effective. Lenon Lures has been a trusted name in trapping since 1924. This 3-pack offers a complete solution for attracting various predators. This bait is a great choice for any trapper. What we like. This pack offers a variety of baits, including bobcat, beaver, and raccoon options. These baits are extremely effective for attracting a wide range of predators. If you're looking for a comprehensive bait solution from a trusted brand, this is the one. What people say. My order was filled and delivered early. Extremely impressed with the service and quality of the product. Fast shipping. That it's got a very strong smell. Baited traps with products today. Can't wait to see how good they work. One of best trapping seasons using this product. Number 1. Fox Peak Coyote Lure and Bait Kit. Number 2. This kit from Fox Peak includes everything you need to attract coyotes. It features top-selling lures and essential baits, designed to be highly effective in the field. The kit includes 3 1-ounce coyote lures from Hawbakers. They are specially formulated to attract coyotes. This ensures you have a variety of scents to use. Also included is an 8-ounce jar of 3 Meat Supreme Predator bait. This powerful bait is designed to attract coyotes from a distance. It is a key component for successful trapping. The kit also contains 8 ounces of coyote urine. This is a natural attractant that helps to lure coyotes. It is a proven method for attracting coyotes. Finally, the kit includes a bag of wool. This is used to help disperse the scent of the lures and baits. This will help to increase the effectiveness of the kit. What we like. This kit includes multiple top-selling coyote lures and bait. It offers a variety of scents to attract coyotes effectively. If you want a complete, ready-to-use kit for your trapping needs, this is a great option. What people say. I have relocated 27 fox from my front yard in the middle of a heavily populated area. All of the products were as described. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.